Explore the opulence of 8 luxury, largest 3-row SUVs in 2023, designed to make your family feel like emperors. Experience the grandeur of these full-size SUVs that redefine luxury and comfort. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. The 2023 Cadillac Escalade V. The 2023 Cadillac Escalade V stands as a behemoth in the luxury car realm, showcasing the prowess of the over 100-year-old GM brand. Its dominance is evident with a record-breaking body length of 227 inches and a striking grille exuding bold American style. Under the hood, a formidable 682 horsepower is unleashed through a 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine, propelling the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an impressive 4.4 seconds. The interior boasts opulence, featuring 3 rows of premium semi-aniline leather seats and a capacious 142.8 cubic feet of cargo space. Technological marvels abound with an OLED dashboard screen, AKG studio speakers, and advanced noise cancellation. The Escalade V seamlessly maneuvers diverse terrains thanks to Super Cruise, magnetic ride control, adaptive suspension, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system for optimal traction. It's a true titan in the world of luxury SUVs. The 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. After 3 generations from 1962 to 1991, Jeep revived the Wagoneer in 2021, bringing fresh air to the segment. The car shows a long and muscular body and is a blend of classic and modern style. The 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer L has a length and height of 226.7 and 79.7 inches respectively, and a spacious cargo of 44.2 cubic feet behind the 3rd row. The interior is sizable, convenient, yet still luxurious with warm walnut wood or edgy stamped metal accents. It has 8 screens with a total size of 75 inches, a front massage seat with 24-way power adjustment. The power comes from a turbocharged gasoline engine Hurricane transmitted through an 8-speed automatic transmission with a capacity of 510 horsepower and the highest towing capacity in the segment of 10,000 pounds. The Land Yacht Grand Wagoneer L conquers various terrains thanks to the Quadralift air suspension system with adjustable height and maximum tire slip sensors that maximize road grip. The 2023 GMC Yukon. After a remarkable transformation in 2021, GMC continues to perfect its large flagship SUV to strengthen its position. The Yukon XL has a length of up to 225.2 inches and up to 144.7 maximum cubic feet of cargo space, exceeding even the Escalade XL. If the A4 version impresses us with its rugged and towering appearance, the Denali stands out on the road with its exquisite and majestic look. The Denali Ultimate XL takes the Yukon to new heights of interior luxury. It is full of 16-way power-adjustable Alpine Umber full-grain leather seats with a topographical map pattern of Denali Mountain embossed on the back and Paldau wooden trim on the dashboard. The Yukon is even more modern with Super Cruise, available on over 400,000 miles of roads, capable of handling all tasks of overtaking, accelerating, braking, and automatically lane changing. The 2023 Yukon offers 3 engine options: a 355 horsepower V8, a 420 horsepower V8, and a turbocharged 277 horsepower 6-cylinder diesel, all paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The 2023 Ford Expedition. The 2023 Expedition was selected by KBB, a car research and valuation company with about 100 years of experience, as the Best Buy award in the full-size SUV class. The Expedition Max has an extended wheelbase featuring 221.9 inches in length and 79.9 inches in width. Its D-pillar shares the same color with the tinted glass, making the car seem endlessly wide. Although there are 6 different model options, the power comes from a dual turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine and a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission combined with rear-wheel or 4-wheel drive. The spacious interior has a maximum cargo capacity of 121.5 cubic feet after folding the 2-row seats and the largest 15.5-inch entertainment screen in its segment. It boasts a towing capacity of up to 9,300 pounds and owns Pro Trailer Backup Assist 2.0, allowing you to control the trailer with just a turn of a knob. The 2023 Lincoln Navigator. This is a standard vehicle for American luxury, elegance, and extravagance. Calling the Navigator a land yacht is not an exaggeration, as the L version features up to 221.9 inches long and 40.9 inches of legroom in the third-row seats. With a prominent Lincoln logo on the large grille, embossed details in the design of the car hood, front bumper, and air intake, the vehicle gives a classic, elegant yet modern look. Lincoln Black Label offers optimized personalization, 7 exterior paint color options, and 4 interior theme options. Central Park, Invitation, Yacht Club, and Chalet. All of them open up a very artistic space, blending with nature with Central Park, or featuring coastal blue leather surfacing and contrasting alpine white stitching with Yacht Club. It is also equipped with Active Glide, a hands-free driving technology on divided highways, and adaptive cruise control. The 2023 Land Rover Range Rover. The 2023 Land Rover Range Rover epitomizes sophistication, presenting itself as the epitome of luxury. In its long wheelbase, LDV version, Land Rover's largest model, it gracefully glides with 3 seamlessly integrated rows of seats, boasting a remarkable length of 207 inches and a width of 80.59 inches. Delving into its details reveals a meticulously crafted design, featuring a smooth laser-welded interface, digital LED headlights with a 1.2 million micrometer processor, and discrete glossy black taillights. The interior mirrors the exterior's perfection, offering 7 semi-aniline leather seats with hot stone massage. The pinnacle of opulence includes the world's first headless speakers, PM 2.5 filtering technology, and Nano X for comprehensive odor and allergen reduction, even combating the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The LDB P530 SV model, the highest premium version, boasts a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter gasoline engine with 523 horsepower and an advanced electronic air suspension system, allowing the Range Rover to navigate waters up to 900 millimeters deep. The 2023 BMW X7. After introducing the full-size SUV model in 2018, BMW has officially unveiled a mid-cycle upgrade for the X7. The largest, most spacious, and most cargo space the brand has ever introduced. The biggest, most visible, and also most controversial change is the daytime running LED strip and car warning light that are separated from the headlights. For us, each version has its own distinctive beauty, so enjoy this diversity. There are also first-ever new and cool features of this BMW, such as crystal headlights and the option for 23-inch wheels. BMW offers the most powerful gasoline engine option, a bi-turbo 4.4-liter V8 that delivers up to 631 horsepower in the case of the Alpina XB7 model. Inside the X7, it is full of luxury and dazzling display. The highlights come from the 6 seats, which are embroidered with merino leather and diamond patterns. The panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof, and more specifically crafted Clarity gear selector and an intelligent iDrive 8 12.3-inch infotainment screen, paired with a 14.9-inch iDrive 8 entertainment display. The 2023 Lexus LX 600. The 2023 Lexus LX 600 marks a significant transformation for Lexus's large luxury SUV after a span of 15 years. Boasting a robust and muscular appearance, the LX 600 spans 200.6 inches in length, providing ample third-row legroom of up to 31.1 inches for families with children. Retaining the off-road DNA inherited from the Land Cruiser under its new name, the LX 600 elevates its luxury quotient. Built on the GAF platform, featuring a sturdy body-on-frame structure, electric power steering, and an innovative braking system utilizing brake pedal travel sensors for force distribution. The front showcases a sleek grille with 7 hexagonal frames and sharp 3D LED headlight clusters. Inside, the luxurious interior boasts aniline leather, Takanoha wood trim options, chrome gray accents, and a modern Mark Levinson sound system. Powered by a new 3.4-liter V6 engine, Its drivetrain, similar to the Land Cruiser, includes a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. This epitome of luxury SUVs invites enthusiasts to inch closer to their dream with each passing day, encouraging dedication and patience. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.